Most people don't have a money problem, they have a mindset problem. You were never taught how to think about wealth, only how to chase it. Since childhood, you've been conditioned to believe that money is scarce, that wanting more is greedy, that rich people are lucky or corrupt, but none of that is true. The real reason most people stay broke isn't a lack of opportunity. It's a lack of belief. You see yourself as someone who struggles with money, so your brain filters out anything that doesn't match that belief. You scroll past that business idea. You ignore that investment tip. You procrastinate on launching your skill. Not because it's hard, but because deep down, you don't see yourself as someone who wins with money. Let me tell you something. Wealth is not just numbers, it's energy. It flows where there's intention. If you constantly affirm lack, guess what? That's exactly what you'll attract. Rich people don't just think about having money. They think like builders, investors, creators. Their mindset is tuned for ownership, not consumption. Your habits reflect your mindset. Do you delay investing because you're waiting to learn more? Do you spend emotionally because you deserve it? Do you avoid looking at your bank account because it makes you anxious? That's not a wealth mindset. That's a fear mindset wearing a Gucci belt. But here's the good news. A wealth mindset isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. You build it every time you say no to short-term dopamine. Every time you choose discipline over doubt. Every time you invest in yourself instead of impressing others. Wealth starts as a mindset long before it ever shows up in your account. If you want to change your life, don't just change your budget. Change the way you think about money. Start seeing yourself as someone who creates wealth, not someone who chases it. Because once your mind shifts, your bank account follows.